In this tutorial, I'll show you how to properly attach and rotate an object on a mesh. Let's select the cube, and Shift-D to duplicate. After duplicating, I type Z as in zebra to move it upward. I'm creating a simple rotor blade mesh. Extrude individual will do. Let's create a simple 10-frame long animation for the rotor blade. In Animation tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. What if we want to use the bottom mesh as the primary object? So that when that moves, the rest of the meshes would move along. We can shift-select the objects and move like this, but we won't be able to create complex animations with this setup. What will happen if we shift-select them, and press Ctrl-J to join them? The animation breaks. We can select the meshes one by one, and parent by pressing Ctrl-P. We must use the correct parenting order, otherwise this issue will occur. That's not what we want. We must use the Ctrl-P shortcut from the blade mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.